The Homemate Heated Weighted Blanket in the 50-inch by 60-inch size combines gentle pressure with consistent electric warmth, making it especially soothing for chilly evenings on the couch or in bed. Its fine internal wiring and evenly distributed glass beads keep both the heat and weight balanced across the whole blanket, so there are no cold spots or lumpy sections. The multiple heat levels and several automatic shutoff options let you fine-tune comfort while adding a reassuring layer of safety for overnight use. Soft flannel on one side and plush sherpa on the other give the blanket a cozy, high-end feel that holds up well to regular use. The simple controller and generous power cord length make it easy to adjust settings and move the throw between the bedroom, living room, or home office. With careful hand washing and proper drying, the blanket maintains its structure and performance, offering a reliable way to stay warm without cranking up the whole house heating system.